Welcome to Boundary Ford. We are located at 2502 50th Ave in Westminster, Border City. And today we're checking out this pre-owned 2003 Toyota Tundra Limited. The exterior color is gray, and under the hood we have a 4.7 liter engine paired to a 4-speed automatic transmission. At the front we have our headlamps and fog lamps, and over at the side we have 17-inch aluminum wheels wrapped in Michelin tires. At the rear we have privacy tinted glass, a backup camera, our top tonneau cover, look inside the box. Look in the interior with power locks, mirrors, and windows. And as we move closer into the cabin, you will see our beige leather seating that does have some wear. Looking ahead, you can see we have AM/FM radio, a CD player, cassette tape, and below there dual climate control area, which includes heating and air conditioning for the entire cabin. Dual cup holders, storage. Now taking a look at the rear. Do have a bit of staining on the seat. If there are any more questions about this pre-owned 2003 Toyota Tundra Limited, please do not hesitate to contact our friendly and professional sales staff. We look forward to seeing you in store and answering any questions you may have. We would like to thank you for shopping here with us at Boundary Ford.